Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today, let's learn how to add Autotune in FL Studio. It's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, open up your FL Studio and import any track or vocals that you'd like to work with. Once imported, go ahead and double click on the audio clip. This will bring up a pop-up window. In the pop-up, navigate right here and scroll up once to insert this track into Mixer Channel 1. Next, open the mixer by clicking on the mixer button or press F9. Now that our track is inserted into mixer slot 1, we are ready to add plugins. Go ahead and click on any empty slot in the mixer, then navigate through your plugins to find the pitcher. This is the FL Studio plugin for Autotune. Once you've selected pitcher, you'll see the interface pop up. Right down here, you'll notice an on and off footing. Let's go ahead and preview the track without Autotune first.
I'm attracted to you. A single word.
Now, let's listen to the track after Autotune is applied.
I'm attracted to you. A single word.
Sounds different, right? The Autotune smooths out the pitch and gives your vocal that iconic tune sound. You can further adjust the settings here, like changing the pitch correction speed or fine-tuning the key and scale to get the exact sound you want. Once you're happy with how it sounds, go ahead and close the window and that's it. It's as simple as that, right? Autotune is a great way to enhance your vocals and give them that polished sound. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.